The solar motion sensor alarm CH-001 effectively deters unwanted intrusions with a powerful 130 decibel noise and bright strobe light. Its 110-degree motion detection range and ability to sense movement within 5 to 8 meters make it ideal for keeping animals like deer and raccoons at bay. The alarm offers versatility with customizable sounds, including options like a barking dog or gunshots, and allows users to adjust the volume to suit their environment. With 3 operational modes, including a 24-hour mode and a night mode, this alarm provides flexible security solutions for various needs. Equipped with a high-capacity solar panel and an IP65 waterproof design, this device is built to withstand harsh weather conditions while maintaining continuous operation. Installation is straightforward, making it suitable for a wide range of applications from homes to farms, ensuring reliable protection wherever needed.